Good morning children, welcome back to the English class. Today we are going to learn moo and sound of animals. Let's start with sounds of animals. Children, different animals have a different sounds. It has its own name. In this chapter we are going to learn what are they and what they are called, the sounds of animals and what is their names also. First, we will start with lion. Lion used to roar. ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಯನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕನ್ನಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಗರ್ಜಿಸು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ರೋರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಯನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ರೋರ್. ಡಕ್ ಕ್ವಾಕ್, ಕೌ ಮೂ, ಡಾಗ್ ಬಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಹಿಸ್, cat mew, frog croak, crow cow, goat bleat, parrot talk. These are all about sounds of animals. Next comes the animals' movements. Children, different animals move in different ways. The movements of different animals have a different names too. Here are a few animal movements. Starts with monkey. Monkeys climb. Lion crawl. Bear lumber. Snake slither. Elephant amble. Duck waddle. Cat steer. Cock struck. Cow wander. Crow clap, duck waddle, eagle swoop, horse gallop. As children, these are the some names of a animal's movement.
Children, let's start the module 6 workbook exercises. First one, vocabulary, animal sounds, exercise 2.1. Complete the names of the sounds that these animals make. One is done for you. I think I already explained in the last week class. Then you just recall it and write it. Okay, this is the homework for you. Next one is animal movements. Different animals move in different ways. The movements of different animals have different names too. Here are a few animal movements. Monkeys, what they used to do? They used to climb. Lions crawl. Bears lumber. Snakes slither. Elephants amble. Ducks waddle. Okay. Exercise 2.2. Match the animals with their movements. One is done for you. In column A, the animals are their children. In column B, the names of the movements are there. In column A, frog, tiger, monkey, bird, fish, horse is there. Okay, you just match their movements with the animals. Okay, this is also you have to do. Next one, grammar articles. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. There was a dash man on dash lovely sunny day. He was sitting under dash apple tree. Dash tree he was sitting under was very big. He was reading dash book under dash tree. Suddenly dash apple fell on his head. He put dash book down. Wow, he thought. I have been here for so long. This is dash interesting book. Okay. You already learned in the previous class what are the articles a, and, or, the. In simply, I will explain you. A is used for consonant words, and is used for vowel words, and the is used for proper nouns, and if the word is repeated again, then the is used. Okay. Let's start with this. There was once, here article is there, directly write a A. Okay. On here is also consonant is there. That's why you write on a lovely sunny day. He was sitting under. A is there. A is a oval. That's why you use a an. Okay. An apple tree. Dash tree. See children, here already tree has came. That's why the tree is repeated now. That's why you write the. The tree. The tree he was sitting under was very big. He was reading a, here consonant is there. That's why you use A. Under tree is there. Tree is again repeated. One, two, thrice. That's why you write the. Under the tree. Suddenly, here oval is there. That's why you write an apple. See here, don't get confused. Here is the apple tree is there, apple is there. Both are different. Suddenly an apple fell on his head. He put the book. Here already book has came. That's why you use a the. He put the book down. Wow, he thought, I have been here for so long. This is dash book. Consonant oval is there. That's why you use an interesting book. Okay. Remember, these I already taught. Okay, there is no need to explain over here. Okay, you understood everything now. Next one is exercise 3.1. Tick yes or no one is done for you. Can we say and dog? Can we say that? No, na. That's why you write tick at the no place. A umbrella? No, because U is oval. That's why we always use an umbrella. The moon? Correct. We used to say the moon is only one in the universe. Na? That's why you use the moon. Correct. And man? Wrong. M is a consonant. We always use a man. Okay. And all? Correct. O is a oval. The elephants? Wrong. The elephants? Wrong? No. For plural, we use the. Correct. Okay. This is all about tick the correct answers. Exercise 3.2. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with a or an. One is done for you. An ant and a burger. Okay. Here is an ant. It's a burger. Here is there. S is there. First you underline the first letter of the word. Okay. Here S is there, consonants that directly you write. A sparrow and I is a ovals. That's why you use an insect. Here A is what? It's a oval. An elephant and a bird. B is a consonant. Fourth one, dash kitten and dash umbrella. K is what? Consonant. A kitten and U is what? Ovals. Is an. A kitten and an umbrella. E is what, children? E is oval. An eagle and M is consonant. A mouse. Here underline A, O. Okay. A is what? Oval. O is also oval. Use an orange, an apple and an orange. Okay. Let's go to the next exercise. 3.3. Fill in the blanks with the correct articles from the options given in brackets. One is done for you. First one, she is the woman who knows magic. Particularly, nanga ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಅಂತ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ, that's why we are using a the. Here see, Sejal is dash doctor. Sejal is the, it's not a the, it's correct is A. Okay, tick A right here. Sejal is a doctor. All of us know that dash earth goes around the sun and the. See children, earth is only one in the universe. That's why we have to use the. Okay. The earth. Next one is Rakesh has dash ink pen. A or an? I is an oval. That's why you use an ink pen. Okay. Next one, fifth one. We saw dash dolphin. A or an? D is a consonant. Use A. A dolphin. Tim helped dash old man cross the street. A or an? O is a oval. An is a correct article. Okay, that's all. Exercise 3.4. Complete the story using the correct articles. One is done for you. Bunty has moved into a new house. He is going to stay in the bedroom that is on the first floor. Bunty's favorite toys. What are his favorite toys? A car and an engine. Okay, is a oval. Are in his room. He loves his new home. It has a garden, and here O is a oval. That's why I use an old swing set. The dash garden is Bunty's favorite place in the house. See children, garden is, come again. He has repeated. That's why it has repeated. That's why I use the garden. Okay. Let's continue with the writing. Elements of a story. The elements of a story are the different things that make up a story. Exercise 4.1. Look at the picture below and read the story. Then fill in the given table with information from the story. Also give the story a suitable title. Here children, one picture is there related to one story is there. Read the story thoroughly and answer these questions. Okay. Mummy, Daddy, Priya and Rohan visit a zoo. Priya loves her teddy bear and does not want to leave it behind. So she carries it with her to the zoo. The family sees many animals. They see lions, tigers, monkeys and bears. But the children like the giraffe the most. They are amazed by an animal with such a long neck. Mummy, Daddy, Priya and Rohan go back home. At home, Priya and Rohan draw a picture of giraffe. They show the picture to their friends in school. Priya and Rohan enjoyed their trip to the zoo. They will never forget this trip. This is a story, children. We have to fill the given tables here. Okay. First one, title. This is the name of the story. For the story, what we have to give? First, we have to give the one title for that. Okay. Which is the suitable title for this story? Okay. We can say that a visit to the zoo. Okay. A picnic to the zoo. Whichever you feel comfortable, you can write. Okay. A visit to the zoo. Okay. You can write a picnic to the zoo. Who are the main people, animals or things spoken about in the story? Characters will come. These are the people or animals in the story. The story is about them. Okay. Who are the characters? First, Mummy. Okay. Mummy, Daddy, Priya, Rohan and Priya's teddy bear. Lions are there. Lions, tigers, monkeys, bears, last giraffe. Okay. Next one, setting. What do you mean by setting? This is where the story takes place. It could be in a house, school or place. Where does the main part of the story take place? Are there any other places spoken about? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ವೇರ್ ಡಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ನ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಓಕೆ we have to write these places. The story has taken where at the zoo. Okay, next the places they have spoken about here is home and school. Okay, next one, write about things that happen in the story. What is the order in which the events take place? Events, these are the things that happen in the story. Story ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ. Okay, first what they did, mummy, daddy, Priya and Rohan visit the zoo. This is the first point. Okay, next one, second point is they see what they saw. They see many animals. This is the second point. Okay, third point, after seeing the animals, what they did when they reach home, when they go home, Priya and Rohan draw a picture of which animal? Giraffe. Picture of a giraffe. After drawing the giraffe, what they did? They show it to their friends, friends, friends in school. This is about a story. Next one is answer questions based on a picture. Exercise 4.2. Observe the picture given below and answer the questions. Here is a picture. You can see what you can see. His a teacher is there, student is there, blackboard is there. By seeing this, what you can see, it's a classroom picture. Okay, let's start answer these questions. What place is this? This is a classroom. This is what? Classroom. Easy, na children? Who is standing near the board? Who is standing near the board? Who is this? She is a teacher. The teacher is standing near the board. What is the teacher teaching? She is teaching, you can see here, sun is there, clouds are there, raining is there. Okay, water is there. What we have to see? The teacher is teaching, we can say, how it rains. We can say water cycle also. It's a I have chosen an easy one. Okay, how it rains. How it rains. The teacher is teaching how it rains. Next one. Who is teaching? Who is listening to the teacher? How are they listening? The dash are listening. Who are listening? The children are listening. You can say the students. The students are listening to the teacher. They are listening with interest. Yeah, with interest. You people also listen to the teacher now with very interestingly. Next one. How does the classroom look? The classroom look. How does the classroom look? We can say colorful. Okay, some drawings are there. Notice boards are there, charts are there. Okay. The classroom looks colorful. This is all about module 6. Write neatly, children. Afterwards, send me to the personal number. Thank you.